Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I might start branching out and doing different styles of content because guess what? It's my channel and not yours. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a DIY project. I bought this denim shirt off Amazon. This is Amazon Essentials. I think it was like $24. I will be bleaching it and I will be adding some funky patches. So let's get started. Alright, welcome to my bathroom. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bleach wash the denim shirt. We have here a little bottle full of bleach that we're going to use to just spray it on and see where it goes. Alright, so we're going in and just kind of spraying. Maybe too much of like a fine mist. You know what I mean?
You want to splatter it?
Yeah. This isn't really working. Alright, so the spray bottle wasn't working out as anticipated, so we have a new plan. I'm gonna take this paintbrush and dip it in the bleach, use the bristles to splatter it on. Hopefully that will work a little bit better. And there's really no rules when you're doing this. You're just kind of like seeing what happens. We take this trip to a garden grove. It smelled like Blue Dog inside the van. Oh yeah. This ain't no funky reggae party. $5 at the door. It gets so real sometimes. Who wrote my rhyme? I've got the microwave. Now that we're satisfied with how it's looking, we're just gonna give it a quick rinse before we wash it. Oh yeah, if you only knew all the love that I found. It's hard to keep my soul on the ground. You're a fool, don't fuck around. Okay, so while we're waiting for the shirt to go through the wash, I'm gonna prepare the main part of the patch that I'm gonna apply to the back. I had this shirt that has Pikachu on it that I love, but I got this ugly like stain on the front of it. And it's not really my color anyway, so what we're gonna do is just cut this big part out of the back. Standing there, killing time, can't commit to anything but a crime. Peter's on vacation, an open invitation. Animals, evidence. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's just because, let's be honest, it's quarantine and I'm bored as fuck. I've had this shirt sitting here forever, just not wanting to throw it away, so why not make something out of it? All the good girls go to hell, 'cause even God herself has enemies, and once the water starts to rise, we have our patch. Let me go back through and just clean up the lines a little bit. My Lucifer is lonely. Alright, and now we have our Pikachu patches from our shirt. Some other patches. These two horror ones I got at a goth garage sale a while back that I want to add. And then I have some assorted iron-on patches that we'll just do at the end there. But first things first, we got to sew. So our shirt has gone through the wash, and this is how it turned out. I think it looks pretty cool, if I do say so myself. And so the next thing we're gonna do is just add a bunch of patches. So the first thing we did was went in and pinned down the largest patch, because that's what we're gonna be doing first. And we just go right into hand stitch. Fires in my head space, 'cause I'm wide awake. Why am I awake? The city sits below and we take shots at the moon. I wanna give it to you, wanna give it to you. Tell me, is it so bad? 'Cause it hurts like that when I think about it. We're both cynics now and it kills me, but I'd die for you anyway. Are you so scared? 'Cause it hurts like there's no way around it. Into it deep now, and we'll never be the same. My love won't sleep. My little ghost queen haunting me. Where in my heart beneath those rolled-up sleeves, where my eyes can see, tell me what my dreams could mean, when my love won't. Alright, so now it's about 5 hours later. I finally finished hand stitching all the patches that require hand stitching, and we're gonna go ahead and move on and apply some iron-on patches. Alright, so to iron on the patch, we turn our iron onto cotton, the highest setting. You place your patch where you want it to be. Actually, you're supposed to iron out the spot beforehand. So right about there. You do a cover cloth. And you hold it down for 30 seconds. I have no idea how long it's been.
It's not 30 seconds yet, it's about 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Okay, and then to finish it off, you flip your fabric inside out, and you do the same thing on the other side for 30 seconds. Okay, Google, set a timer for 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds. And we're starting now.
Okay, Google, stop. Alright, and then you let it cool for 1 minute. And we're still here putting on patches. You know, I'm not a seamstress or anything, so iron on patches, that's pretty lit for me. Can count the years on one hand that we've been together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 'cause after all this time, I'm still in 40. And I started doing 40 seconds, so it works a little bit better because this is kind of thick material. Even on the worst nights, I'm into you, I'm into you. Let them wonder how we got this. So now that I have you guys here, it's time to talk about Squarespace. Just kidding, I don't have a sponsor. What's the cat doing? Is she over there judging me? Show the audience the cat. They need to see. Look at her. She thinks she owns the place. Meanwhile, we're still applying iron-on patches. I should be sponsored by iron-on patches. TM. Maybe I should have my own brand of iron-on patches. What do you think? Good? Yeah, I thought so too. It's been so many hours of working on this garment, but it's worth it. It's all worth it. You can't say I'm crazy. You can't. Okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. Wait for it to cool. It's very hot. Hot, hot, hot. Alright, so we are finally done. I don't know if this video will actually show how time consuming this process was, but it's now after midnight and I'm about to reveal the final look, so get ready. Some things just make sense, and one of those is you and I. Some things just make sense, and even after all this time, oh. So here's the final product. I'm super excited with how it came out, and now I'm gonna take you on a patch tour. First up, we have our little pride rainbow, and then we have this little button I found in my bag of patches. We have this horror patch for the movie Cujo, which is a Stephen King adaptation. He's my favorite author, and I'm also a huge horror fan. Same thing goes for the Losers Club from It. I super love this patch, the red and black. Over here, Not Normal with a cat. That's self-explanatory. Down here, we have a Rick Sanchez patch and another horror patch for The Exorcist, which is just a classic. Over here, we have a Dark Mark from Harry Potter. I am a Slytherin, if anyone was wondering. My other shoulder, I have the Scouts emblem from Attack on Titan, because I'm an anime nerd. And if I wasn't enough of a nerd, I have my multiple Pikachu patches, as well as a Master Ball and an Ultra Ball. And in the middle, we have some Sacred Geometry. So thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know down in the comments what you've been doing during quarantine. If you've created anything cool, I'd love to see it, know about it, all of that. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I do ukulele covers every Wednesday. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and now TikTok as well, all at Miko Zilla. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time. Bye.